Alright, so I forgot to mention in my first video on how to actually copy and paste a note so you can actually use it in an example. So I have used Sleepy Wednesday's Everything Needs Love, I Love Her for this. Oh my god. But I've edited a bit today with with Chris's presets. I'm going to use that as an example. So I already put them in here, but if you're using a MIDI and you want to put it in, like, of whatever preset it is, so that's what that sounds like, but there's actually a preset. So if I were to do this, I'd look up like fly. We'll fly away. And then put it in like a separate channel. Make sure it has all the, copy and paste, and then just there. Well, make sure, copy and paste. It is New Year's, I don't know if you heard that. But, hang on. Okay. Can you copy and paste, please? Okay, I think I did it. Now, it did do it in the low range, but I think this is one of the ones that let me turn that off. Okay. And then I think it was like this. Okay, so that. Yep. And it should be pretty like that. Just that's all you have to do. You have to copy paste, look it up. If you can't find a word, so like let's say tops, you'd have to look up something with like the V vowel. So something like lot. Just anything that kind of like okay. So like so well, it's close. Okay. T's don't really pronounce well, so you have to do this. Oh yeah, that's right. Oops. Okay. And then retune it. Oh. It has an S on it. Boom! And that's how you do that. So if it doesn't come up with a word and you really just want, like, especially with an end note, if you want to just like get that like preset on, you can look up like similar words that would sound with whatever vowel. The most important thing is to know what your vowel is, what you're wanting to put in, and it should be fine. But I just wanted to address that because I forgot to mention that in my first video. So I hope this kind of helps if anyone's been wondering like how to use it and stuff. But yeah, I'll see ya.